YouTube family, how y'all doing? I hope everybody's safe and well and not sick. It's a beautiful Saturday. Seems like I'm always coming to you on a beautiful Saturday, but hope everybody else is having a good day, and I hope everybody is doing well, man. Eating good, exercising, staying healthy, and staying away from this virus.
You are now ready to enter the car wash.
It's time to go through the car wash. I had to come up here, man, and get my car washed. It just covered in piling. It's like you can't even tell what color my car is. And then it's got a little bit of bird feces right there on the window. So I gotta take care of that. Hey, I just wanted to touch base with everybody, man, and let everybody know to, take care of yourself out there and stay healthy. This virus isn't gonna take us down. Just stay positive, And let's see, what else was it? Oh yeah, on another note, I'm gonna put out a couple videos, or gonna do a couple videos today. I was a little under the weather last week, so wasn't able to really touch base on some things I was wanting to. But like I said, I am gonna put out a couple videos in the next day or so. This will probably be the first one, and you might see me wearing the same clothes and stuff, because I'm gonna try to split it up that way. You ain't sitting here watching something you didn't want to watch. But I do suggest go and catch the other videos. And if this is your first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And it pays off, man. I give you any kind of information you need over on Instagram. All I ask for is a little subscribe to the channel. I think I've had right at almost 200, if I'm not mistaken, 200,000 views. And I'm just now about to hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you could, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, man, and catch all this upcoming content that I'm about to put out. And there's new stuff about to come to this channel here in the near future. I'm not going to really say what it is, but I don't know if I'll still have this little red beast right here, If I do have it, there's going to be some major upgrades coming, or there might be a different car coming. So make sure y'all stay tuned and hang with me. I'm about to run through this little car wash, and I'll see y'all soon. Till then, y'all keep it real. Stay easy. See you real soon. Peace. Alright, we're done with the car wash. We got that knocked out, and we're back at the house. I had to run by and grab a couple things as well from Publix. But if y'all are here right now watching this video, just want to let you know I appreciate it, and it means a lot, because a lot of people don't come through here and watch these kinds of videos unless it's something big or something like that. But this right here is basically going to show you the updated versions of these modifications, some of the modifications that I've done to the car. And one particular one that we're going to look at today is not really a modification, it's a product that I used. I think it was the last video I done. It was that Meguiar's ceramic spray, I believe. But the stuff had messed my car up pretty bad, and I didn't think it was going to come off for a little while. I went through the car wash. I think I ended that video when I was on the way to the car wash. I ended up going through the car wash 2 or 3 times, and it was still there. I think I know what happened though. I think I was supposed to dry it off, buff it out kind of, before I just drove off in it and let it air dry. I think that was the mistake I made. But with that being said, I did go and get it rinsed off, wash it and all that stuff up at the car wash. It really didn't do nothing. What I had to do was I ended up getting 2 microfiber towels, or a microfiber towel and a drying towel, and I kind of just dry buffed it. I had one that was damp, I buffed out, and then I come back with my dry towel, buff that spot. I ended up having to do the whole car like that. The car looks good now. I don't know if it's because of the Meguiar's or what, but after I got done with it, the car actually does look good. It is shining, and the water is repelling off of it. I still would not suggest using that product though. And if you want to see that video, go back to the content on my channel and pull that video up and you can check it out. I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna show you the outside of the car. I went through the car wash today because it was covered in pollen. My girl's car, hers is still covered in pollen now. I need to get out here and rinse it off. And then I had some bird feces on my window. So, and I've seen a couple people talking about the exhaust here lately too. I was gonna do, I'm probably gonna try to get a video in showing what the 0 to 60 is with the exhaust deleted. I know it don't sound like a V8. I put that up there basically, you know, because some people say it makes it sound like a V8 and stuff like that. It doesn't make it sound like a V8. I never claimed that. It does in the title, I think, but I know it don't sound like a V8. I'm not delirious, you know. But for a V6, it does sound good. It's got a good deep tone to it. It doesn't really sound like a, you know, max box car or whatever, a little tuner car. It does. It sounds decent. It's got like for a V6, it sounds good. But it definitely is not a V8. So don't mistake what I say. It's definitely not a V8 sound. So don't think you're going to go do this right here and it's going to be a V8. And there was also some more questions asked about if I knew what I was talking about when it came to the resonators. Well, one guy was asking a question about it. Well, he kept saying the diagram was saying the opposite of what I was saying. Well, there's two different ones. You got my model. I was basically showing you what the resonators look like for you can identify them on your car. Not all of them are the same. He said all Mopar or all Dodge Chargers are the same. They're not all the same. You can go back and look at the 2017 Daytona, and the resonators are on the back side. I know that one for sure because I just went and looked at that car. The resonators are on the back side. The mufflers are under the car. The cylinders at the back side, which are the resonators. The big box ones under the middle of the car, which are the mufflers. But on my car, it's flipped around. The mufflers were on the back side. But it's no big deal. It's no big deal. Like I said, no big deal. But they are different. So make sure you're looking for the resonators and mufflers. And I don't know. I might throw some Super 10s or Super 44s on here just to see what happens. Because I could use it being a little bit different. A little bit deeper myself. So I might try that out. And we'll see how that goes. I'm not sure yet. But then again, if the right person does what I need them to do at a certain location, I might not change nothing else on this car. Y'all just going to stay tuned and find out. And we're going to go ahead and move past that and step outside the car. And I'm going to show you the Easy Lip Pro update. And I'm going to show you what that McGuire's ceramic did to my car. And like I said, I'm gonna try to get some 0 to 60s in to show you what the exhaust modification, deleting it, done to the car. So make sure y'all check that out when I upload it as well. Turn that bell notification on for you'll see when it comes up. There was a difference there, so make sure you check that video out. And if this is the first time, like I said, go back to my channel, scroll through some of my videos, and take a peek under the hood. But we're gonna step out and we're gonna look at my hood. So I'll see you in a second. All right, step back into the shade for a little bit. Y'all can see it shine. As you can tell, that stuff isn't there anymore. Now it's not the cleanest right now because there is a ton of pollen falling, but you can tell that the stuff, the McGuire's, isn't still on my car. There's a couple water spots. It's actually looking pretty good today. I can't tell if I got the camera straight on there or not, so I hope y'all see it right now. The sun's blinding me, to be honest. So, if you want to use it, you can use it. But the only thing is, you're going to have to buff it out with dry towels. Once you buff it out, though, it does shine up pretty good, to be honest. I wouldn't use it again myself. Like I said in that last video, we are going to pick up some F11 and this ceramic spray. You do it a little bit different, and we're going to try that out. another project I don't know if I'm gonna tackle if I keep this car. I definitely will tackle it, but it's gonna be this Easy Lip Pro that I got. Of course, if y'all go back and watch that video, I was barely at temperature to put this on. It said it had to be like 70 degrees, and I think it was like 69. So I don't believe I had that good of a bond. And if you have one of these, a big thing you need to watch out for is pulling into a parking spot instead of backing into a parking spot. As you can tell, that thing is hanging down pretty bad. I should have waited until temperature got right. But with that being said, either I'm going to take this off and put another one on in the next week or so, or either I'm just going to put a splitter on the front, because I'm not sure if if my other plans are going to work out in the next 5 months. You know, it might be in the next 5 months my plans work out, but we will be definitely taking care of this right here within 5 months. I will not be waiting that long to fix that, and I might just go ahead and re-stick that one, to be honest with you. And if y'all want to, I can show you how to do that. I'm just not sure if I'm gonna do it yet, but like I said, Easy Lip Pro is good. Just make sure you do it in the right conditions. It's got to be above 70 degrees, and watch how you're pulling into a parking spot if it has a curve. That curve will pull down on it. You'll be up a lot further than you think you are, because most cars clear them. So just make sure you keep an eye out on that. But other than that, Roxanne's looking good. She's looking mighty good. Wheels shined up. She's got her cross dangling from the mirror. She's set. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all, man. Other than that, y'all stay well out there. Try not to shake too many hands. Try to do the little fist bump. Me personally, I'm not gonna hit the elbows with you. Don't try to come up to me and hit the elbows, but I will fist bump you. And what else I got for you? Just stay safe out there. Try not to go to crowded places, and look out for your parents, man. It's messing up people that, you know, above 50, 60 years old, especially ones with health problems. So if you do get under the weather, just don't go around your grandparents, you know, if they're in those ages and they got health problems. Be courteous of them, because I know you want them around, you know. So other than that, y'all keep it real. Y'all stay easy. I'm gonna see you real soon. Peace.